So we're going to be exchanging the fender extensions on the Z06 for the new carbon flash ones. So basically we're going to be uninstalling them. On this car we've already installed our XL mud flap. What we like about these is that obviously it gives us full coverage. For the installation of the extension, I am going to remove these just so that I could show you guys all the adjustments. You may not have to remove them since these are identical, but I think it's going to be more explanatory and you're going to see more the details and particularities of this particular install. So to remove the XL flap, there's a 7 that I need to remove from underneath, which is the same on the stock part. We also have 3 T15 screws in the front. I have an angle drill. Now if you don't, just simply turn the wheel to the right and that would give you access for it. Front lower corner, we have a 7mm screw. So now all the mechanical fasteners are out. I do know that there is a metal clip right here. So that's going to be my first thing. And I know there's two-way tape, so I'll be prying it. I brought over some trim tools in case I need to pry a little harder. So I have the clip out. And I've pulled out the original one. I see most of the two-way tape did come off with the panel, but I will need to clean out all the residue on the inside. So your best bet here is either to use a gunk type solvent or rubbing it off with your thumb. I'm going to get some solvent. Surface is completely clean. I'm getting ready to reinstall the new carbon flashed fender extension. There's a clip on the rear end and there's a slot here. So that's a little bit the adjustment that comes in with the part. So depending on the location, this clip will determine at which time, on a clock, where this would go. So there is a little bit. I'm going to be favoring this way because I know I have to reinstall the flap. Obviously once we have it all in position, we're going to be peeling this. So as we install it, I want to make sure the two-way tape flange, which is nylon back, that's really cool, is accessible so I could peel it once I'm happy with the position. There's a couple of tabs that I also have to worry about, so I want to make sure these go under the liner. But other than that, it's pretty simple. There's also 2 pins right here in the middle, which I'm just bending a little bit the liner to get to it. Front portion, I want to make sure the front fascia is inside the groove of the extension. And I just feel it just snapped into the proper position. Now, I'm not going to peel the 2A tape yet because I want to make sure I'm happy with everything. So I'm going to reinstall the XL flap. So because it hasn't been taped yet, I was actually able to make a small adjustment and further tuck it away so that I get a really tight seal here. And next step's going to be to reinstall the fasteners and then peel the two-way tape. So now that we're happy with the location, our Excel guards are back on, I'm going to reinstall all the fasteners I removed.